Alright, just arrived now from International Military Antiques, the Portuguese Kropatschek Rifle, and you're going to see the same as I will. This guy just literally just got here now. Oh my God. Of course, it's full of these things. Oops. Alright. Get that out of there. That would be a mess. The rest of this is going to be a mess getting out. Sure. But I think this is the heavy end. I don't know how much of this the camera's picking up, but I'm going to have to push it down that way. See if I can slide it out. It's coming. Boy, it is packed in there. Yeah, they just shoved a bunch of these beans in there. So yeah, it's pretty much stuffed in there. This is a big box too. That's a lot of beans to clean up. Oh boy. Alright. See if we can get it out the rest of the way without getting too many other things here. Let's see. This is the heavy end. This is the butt end of the rifle. Oh. God. I'm caught in the snow of these things. Oh, cow. Yes. Alright. Now, hold on. I'm going to turn this off so I can clean up some of this stuff. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back after the avalanche of beans came out of this thing. Now, gotta do the plastic, which is also pretty wrapped up. And we'll see what we can do here. Okay. That one. See where the bolt is? That's there. Okay. And they made sure they packed it right, I'll tell you. They always do. They definitely use a lot of tape and they wrap it with bubble wrap. You don't leave anything to chance. After all, this was made in 1886, so you don't want to mess it up. My grandfather was a whole 4 years old when this was made. And yes, my family goes back quite a ways. My grandmother was born in 1888, so wow. I must say, so far, that stock looks like it's really nice. From what I'm seeing, hold on. I'll get the rest off without tearing up the rifle. Make sure I get it off so I don't scratch anything. There we go. Now I should be able to just rip off the rest. And we'll see what we have. Oh, God, yes. Okay, there it is. This is the Portuguese Kropatschek Rifle. And there you go. This thing has, wow, there it is, there's a button in there. Huh. Oh yeah. it's got a tube magazine where you would shove the bullets through, and so you push them in, it would go down this tube. Notice it has a tube down the bottom, like you would have for shotguns and stuff. Well, that's what it is. That is what you call a tubular magazine. The bullets would go down here. Now, the only thing I don't know is about this rifle. These were made, and they had the way they were set up. Originally, they used 8mm rimfire cartridges, not centerfire. So I do not know if this is a centerfire or if it actually does have rim cartridges. Tends to want to slide out on me. And yes, it has a marking up here on top. CEMEG Steyr, STEEYR, and it's made in Germany, and it's got the date 1886 on it, so yeah. And it has the sight, flip up sight on it. That's still there, perfect shape. I see no cracks of any kind in the stock anywhere. If you look at the pattern on the stock, I mean, it's almost like tiger maple if it were cleaned up and cleaned up a little bit. There is also a stamp on the butt itself, but I don't know exactly what it says, but there is a marking there. So anyway, that's that, and it looks like it's in good shape. I don't know if I'll be able to fire it or not, because I'm still not sure if it's 8mm rimfire. I do have 8mm cartridges, but I would have to do some work to them. Also at the same time, I did have an explosives delivery come, but not major explosive. This is Pyrodex powder. It's FFG for muzzle-loading rifles. So that came also. So that was another one. Another delivery. But yeah, we shall see what we can do with this one. It's definitely a solid rifle. That's for sure. No two ways about that. But when you push down the loading gate, you can see where the tube is, and it's got a little push-in door you can just shove in. So I'm not going to try shoving any 8mm cartridges in it yet, because I got a strange feeling this still may use rimfire cartridges, and if so, that means the rim cartridges are actually smaller than a centerfire cartridge, and basically impossible to find. But anyway, that's it. That's the Portuguese Kropatschek rifle. And Kropatschek was the one who designed it, and he was Austrian. The Portuguese, they sent pretty much all their stuff out for, they were conscripted type weapons. They were all consigned, and they were all made by Germany most of the time, never any other places. This happened to be made by Steyr, another German company. So yeah, there they are, and that's it. So it's all in one piece. So that's going to be it for now.